I've got the P.Louise Easter eggs. So if you want to see what's inside each one of these, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's not feeling well. Dexter will come in and out. I'm not sure if Bandit will come in or out or not, but he might. I don't know, but you may not see them because I'm sitting on the bench instead of on the couch. I don't know. I feel like the kind of white background maybe helps you see the products a little better. I'm not sure. Let me know if you don't really care. Either way. But I do have the two P.Louise Easter eggs. So I want to start by welcoming anybody who's new and just tell you welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So P.Louise is an independent beauty business, and they do makeup, but they also do skincare. It is a female owned by this adorable young entrepreneur who does the all the things. I guess I don't know. She's very cheerful, very happy, so she's always a joy to watch. And she put out two different Easter eggs, and I couldn't decide, so I got them both. This one says pink and sweet, a marshmallow treat. And then the box, I don't know if you can see this, but it's got all these inlaid bunnies. So nice, like a very kind of old-fashioned Peter Rabbit. Okay, so here is the first egg. This is not plastic. This is well, I mean, it might be plastic underneath, but it is fabric covered with these gold bunnies on there, the PL for P.Louise. It has little feet and it zips open. So very well done. Now this did come pretty quickly. That being said, would you get it by Easter? I don't know. But you could set these aside for next year if you have somebody in your life who you give like an Easter gift to, and you could definitely refill these with all kinds of treats. Here is side one. We have the Helping hand cream. This is in pink marshmallow, so we got to give this, look, it's so cute because you can just clip that onto your bag. Oh, it smells delicious. It's nice and thick. I've had the hand lotions before. I got one in a advent calendar a couple of Christmases ago, not this past one, but the one before, and really loved it. It was like a, I don't know, like a hazelnut or some sort of like nut cookie scent. Smells so good. Next we have some lashes, but these are the clusters here. Now I'm going to guess that these are glue-ons. Yes, you need lash glue. Then we have Scent from Above in pink marshmallow. So I'm wondering if this is one of those body scents. It's a dreamy gourmand of fluffy marshmallow, ripe strawberry, and creamy vanilla, brightened with apple and citrus, and softened by coconut and pink must. And yes, this is a hair and body mist. Oh, that's very lovely. Ooh, I'm going to be walking around smelling like a snack. Then we have the Bad Bee Energy in pink marshmallow. And this is a lip kit. Let's see, which is this? Because she's got a couple of different kinds. This has the lip conditioner, the Protect Your Pout lip conditioner, and the Stay Shining lip oil. And it looks like a little drink box. And here is that lip serum. Again, it's got a little clip so you can take it with you. Ooh, oh, that smells so yummy. So that is just a clear, just like a lip protection to wear throughout the day. I'm actually going to set this aside and clip it right on my bag. And then we have the lip oil. Now I am wearing her lip oil from my budget box, which is a monthly subscription, and that is the chocolate strawberry one. This, I'm going to guess, will be more of like a clear. Yes, it's a clear. Oh, so delicious. Then here's the other side. And we have a Wisp Away mascara in black. Take a look at that. Now, I have had one of her mascaras before and loved it. Used it till there was no more I could get out of there. Okay, so here's how this looks. And I'll take a screenshot of what the wand looks like. I'm not ready to open this up. Now, I will drop a little castor oil in mascaras when it starts to get a little thick. You can also put a little eye drops in there too to thin it out. Then we have a peel off lip stain. This is their Take the Tint. And I'm thinking this is the color Bunbelievable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on this hand. All right, now this is going to dry up, and so hopefully by the end of the video we can peel it off and see what the color is underneath. It is supposed to kind of auto-correct for your tone, so I don't know, we'll see. And then we have the palette for face. This is Hop to the Top. Just look at that. That's like a little metal emblem there. Okay, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Let's swatch a couple of these. I'm really into these purples here. I'm gonna, and the inlays on there. I'm gonna put it like this so you guys can see it and the mirror doesn't bother you. Okay, so I'm gonna check out this one, this one, this one, and this one. Oh, okay, those are much lighter than I thought. All right, so that's our pink ad. That's our pink. All right, so that's our pink egg. All right, let's get into this green one here. Okay, and this one is Sweet Berry Bite Dipped Just Right. So same deal, this one is in green with the gold embroidered bunnies. And inside, so if this one, I think this one has a lip stain as well, so I want to go with that side first. That way it will have enough time, hopefully, to dry. Yes, it does have one, and this is in the shade Hop Chocolate. I'm not getting a smell. Then we have a Wisp Me Away mascara in brown. So this is going to look just like the other one, but in brown. And we have our Hop to the Top palette. I mean, that's expensive packaging right there. This is more of a neutrals, but there's some browns in there and some gorgeous, gorgeous shades. So I do find that the P.Louise does have a lot more of the neutrals. So you will find most of the palettes are kind of a similar story to this. I'm going to go in with this top one because it's a nice green. And then I want to try this one too. And we'll come down to this one, which looks like a nice kind of everyday shade. And this one kind of has a little bit of a, well, it kind of looks like it's got a little bit of like a red in there. So much more neutral story, but very pretty. So that's a much more neutral color story, but very, very gorgeous. And on this side, we have some more of those cluster lashes. We have the hand cream, and this is in chocolate covered strawberry. So we got to smell this. It's a little green. Oh, that's delicious. It's not over, like you can definitely smell some strawberry in there. It's not like all chocolate. It's like when you bite into that chocolate covered strawberry and you can smell that strawberry essence that comes out. Then we have the body spray, which is also in the chocolate covered strawberry. Delicious. And then we have the chocolate covered strawberries, Bad Bee Energy, and in this one we have, same thing, the lip conditioner and the lip oil. She has another lip kit that looks like this, same kind of packaging, and it is a scrub and a serum, I think, a lip scrub and a lip serum. And here is our lip conditioner, and it's just kind of like it's a clear. It looks a little yellow, but it's a clear. So just nice and clear. And then the oil. Now this may be the one that I have on, because I do have the chocolate covered strawberry one on, and it does look the same, just different packaging. So I'm not going to open that up. It is what's on my lips right now with a little bit of color underneath, but just a very light kind of nude type color story underneath. And it's very, very light. It's not as dark, like it looks like it's going to be really a dark chocolate, but it's not. So anyway, I am going to set that aside so I can gift it or put it in a giveaway. All right, so those are my 2 eggs from P.Louise. Tell me your thoughts. I would say that I kind of like the pink one better. So if I were to just get one, I think it would have been the pink one. I like the color story a little bit better on the shadows. There was just a little bit more variety of color. And I also like the pink marshmallow. That's a really nice scent, flavor, whatnot. But I think they're both phenomenal. All right, so now we're going to pull off, because this is a peel off stand. So you just peel it off. And there's what is underneath that one. And that one. So you can see that they're not as dark as they originally look. This one looks more brown on the camera, at least from my view, but it's more of a brownish red or brownish pink. And this one is more of like a berry color. I really like that. And it definitely goes nice with that eye color story too. All right, well, tell me your thoughts. Which one do you like better? Do you like the green or the pink? Let me know in your comments down below. And please consider giving me a like, a subscribe, it's totally free, and maybe smashing that notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.